Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the student of class 8. I hope all are ready to take your class. Dear student, please be ready to your class with pen and paper script and your textbook with the mobile phone or computer. Now I am starting to your class of English first paper. Take your book in front of you. Keep silent and attend to your class. See the screen. As usual, my introduction. You are very well known of me. And then the lesson, English past paper, class 8, lesson introduction, unit 1, lesson 2, unit 1, lesson 2. At the beginning of my class, we will enjoy a video see that video. From this video, you have to tell about our lesson. What do you see there? It is an artistic pattern. It is an artistic pattern. I will not tell you next. What is this? It's look very nice thing. Do you guess what is the topics of our class? What is the topics of our class? See the picture. Nokshikatha. I am sure that you are sure our today's topic is Nokshikatha. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to read and understand text through silent reading, learn related vocabularies, ask and answer questions, write a short paragraph about Nokshikatha. Read the text from your textbook, Unit 1, Lesson 2, Nokshikatha. Nokshikatha is a kind of embroidered quilt. নকশিকাঁথা হচ্ছে এক ধরনের এমব্রয়ডারি করা খাতা। The name was taken from the Bengali word. এই নামটা নেওয়া হয়েছে বাংলা শব্দ নকশা থেকে। নকশা which means artistic pattern. নকশা যার অর্থ হচ্ছে শৈল্পিক নমুনা। It is a kind of নমুনা বা নকশা, শৈল্পিক নকশা। It is a kind of traditional craft. এটা এক প্রকার ঐতিহাসিক কাঁথা and is said to be indigenous to the Bangladesh and West Bengal in India. যাকে বলা হয় বাংলাদেশ এবং পশ্চিম বাংলার শিল্প। The art has been practiced in rural Bengal for centuries. এই শিল্পটা প্রচলিত হয়ে আসতেছে বাংলাদেশের গ্রামের বাংলায় for centuries, শতাব্দী ধরে। The name Nokshikatha became popular after the poet Josimuddin's poem Nokshikatha, কাথার মাঠ। এই নকশিকাঁথা জনপ্রিয় হয়ে আসতেছে কবি জসিমউদ্দিনের নকশিকাঁথার মাঠ প্রকাশিত 1929 সালে। নকশিকাঁথার মাঠ কবিতাটি প্রকাশিত হওয়ার পর থেকে। Now we learn vocabulary. Quilt. Quilt মানে কাঁথা। A bed covering consisting of two of fabrics stitched together. একটা বেড কভারিং কনসিস্টিং অফ টু ফেব্রিক মানে দুইটা কাপড় দ্বারা আবৃত এবং যেটা একটার সাথে আরেকটা সেলাই করা। স্টিচড স্টিচড অর্থ সেলাই করা। নকশিকাঁথা ইজ এমব্রয়ডারিড কুইল্ট। আর্টিস্টিক মিন্স হলো শৈল্পিক। হ্যাভিং অর রিভিলিং ক্রিয়েটিং স্টাইল যেখানে প্রকাশ পায় সৃজনশীল স্টাইল। নকশা মিন্স আর্টিস্টিক প্যাটার্নস। নকশা মানে হচ্ছে শৈল্পিক নমুনা বা নকশা। ট্র্যাডিশনাল মানে হচ্ছে ঐতিহাসিক, যেটা কনভেনশনাল বলা যায়, সিনোনিমাস ওয়ার্ড কনভেনশনাল। দ্য ট্র্যাডিশনাল কুইল্টস হ্যাভ হাই ডিমান্ড। ঐতিহাসিক কাঁথার খুব চাহিদা রয়েছে। পপুলার জনপ্রিয়। পপুলার সিনোনিমাস ওয়ার্ড ফেমাস। নকশিকাঁথা became very popular of rural Bangla. গ্রামীণ বাংলার গ্রামে নকশিকাঁথা অনেক বেশি পরিমাণে জনপ্রিয় হয়ে আসছে। You should write it in your paper script of this vocabulary. At first, you should take a screenshot from your mobile phone or of your computer screen. Make 3 sentences with following words. Write down these three sentences in your paper script and then make three sentences by these three words. Can you complete your task? If you complete this, send me my WhatsApp app or in Messenger app. I will check it in the next and I will give you feedback on that. Now we will enjoy another video clips. You see that some rural women stitched embroidered katha. I know you saw that in your home or in your family. Women stitched embroidered katha for the family use. To make a Nokshi Katha, we need needle, thread, needle মানে সুই, thread সুতা, and frame, new or old clothes to stitch together. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6. In step 6, it looks very nice. In step 1, it's the beginning. Stitching a Nokshi Katha. How nice to look in step 6. The eye-catching artistic pattern. Do you like that, dear student? It's a provoking style. If I had had Sasakatha, tell what is happening in 1, 2, and 3 round picture. It's starting of stitching Nokshikatha. Do you know this man? our rural poet Jasimuddin, who wrote Nakshikatha Mart. The name Nakshikatha became famous after the poet Jasimuddin's poem Nakshikatha Mart was published in 1929. নকশিকাথা অনেক বেশি বিখ্যাত হয়ে আসছে জসিমউদ্দিনের বিখ্যাত কবিতা নকশিকাথার মাঠ 1929 সালে পাবলিশড হবার পর থেকে। How nice the artistic pattern of Nakshikatha, so many interesting Nakshikatha. Traditional kathas are made of family for family use. এই ঐতিহাসিক খাতাগুলো তৈরি করা হয় পরিবারে ব্যবহারের জন্য। Old or new cloths and thread are used to make this quilt. এই কাঁথাগুলো নতুন অথবা পুরাতন কাপড় সুতা দ্বারা তৈরি করা হয়। ময়মনসিংহ, জামালপুর, রাজশাহী, ফরিদপুর, বগুড়া and যশোর are most famous for this craft. এই অঞ্চলগুলো এই শিল্পের জন্য এই কাঁথার জন্য বিখ্যাত। Now it is produced commercially. এখন ইহা বাণিজ্যিকভাবে উৎপাদিত হয়। You can find them in many expensive handicraft shops in cities. শহরের ব্যয়বহুল পোশাক পোশাক দোকানগুলোতে বিপণীগুলোতে তুমি ইহা খুঁজে পেতে পারো। Now you have to make answer of this question. At first write down this answer. This question, write down this question and then make an answer. First one is, what is Nakshikatha? And then next, who wrote Nakshikatha Mart? In third, where was the name taken from? In fourth, what does the word expensive refer to? What are used to make Nakshikatha? You have to make answer within 10 minutes. And then you have to send it in my WhatsApp app or Messenger app. Then I will check it and give you feedback. To shorten my online class, I will give you task very earlier. You should complete it after my class and send me in my WhatsApp app. Then I will give you feedback to you. Complete the sentence with clues given. Bengali, pattern, embroidery, ears, fashion, art, rural, designs, quilt, Naksha. First one, Naksha means artistic pattern. Artistic pattern. The name was taken from a dash word dash. Feel it. Bengali word Noksha. Nokshikatha are now sold in fashion shop. Nokshikathas are in great demand because of their colorful embroidery and designs. Nokshikathas are a kind of quilt. Write down this gaps. Now I am going to finish your class and giving you homework. Write a short paragraph describing how to Nokshikatha is made. I am showing you how can you start. Start like this. Old and new clothes and karat thread are needed. First the cloth is folded. Then you should complete this paragraph regarding describing of how the Nokshikatha is made. Write down this homework. After completing your homework and the evaluation work, within next 1 hour, you have to send my WhatsApp app. You have to send it in my WhatsApp app. Then I will give you feedback. I hope you are completed. You, you write down your homework. Thank you for enjoying your class. I asked you to complete your task in earlier time. Thank you all.